He kahika Māori, he wāri Māori, kua kuhu atu ki te kaunihera arohe o Kawerau.
E whakapono ana ahau, ko Faylene Karen ngāreta Tunui.
Nōku te honore i tū anō, i roto i te tūrana o te kahika, o te kaunihera arohe o Kawerau. It's my sincere honour. I'm incredibly humbled to be returned by our community, by all of our community. Aha kua ko wai, aha kua nohia. To be returned as our mayor, working alongside our new team.
Kua whaiwahi anō a Faylene Tunui o Ngāti Tūwharetoa ki Kawerau, hei kahika mō tēnei rohe i poipoi i aia i ngā taumaha ko he Pākene.
I've been here for 12 years now, and we've slowly but surely had a number of whānau who walk both worlds, who serve both worlds. Today is not new for Kawerau, it might be quite rereke, quite different to some other councils, but it's home for us, and this is who our hapori have selected and chosen to represent us, to serve us, to look after us, and hopefully lay some really beautiful footprints for our babies to inherit our pōpō.
Nai mai hara mai Melanie Dowie. Hara mai Auntie Mel.
Tēnā harikoa. I'm very proud because I've been in Kawerau all my life. I never thought I'd step into this area of my life, but you know, when it's time, and people call. So really it was about the calling of the people that encouraged me to step up. So yes, I'm feeling very happy about that.
He tuatahitanga tēnei wāri Māori mō te kaunihera, hei tā Mau Dowie o Ngāti Tūwharetoa ki Kawerau, ko te hono me te hoetahi mō te katoa o te hapori, te mahinui.
Very ātāhua. We see a lot of not so good coverage happening out there, but this is what we're about. We're about whanaungatanga, manaakitanga, and I've been here all my life. I can attest to that. I can say, yeah, we're that kind of people, and I'm proud of us.
One of our new Māori ward councillors for Kawerau. Nai mai hara mai Auntie Gloria Leokava-Taani.
I feel very, very honoured. Just today, putting on the korowai with my auntie from the Tūwharetoa marae, and wearing our tipuna, a tipuna on my face, tipuna on my back. A very proud moment to be able to stand there as Māori ward and represent our tipuna.
And acknowledge our whānau that participated in voting to keep Māori wards. Ngā mihi nui to you all.
E ai kia Gloria Leokava-Taani o Ngāti Tūwharetoa ki Kawerau, e waru te kau mā ono ōrau o te rohe o Kawerau he Māori. No reira, he mihi nui tōna ki te hunga kotahi mano e rimarau neke atu i pōti kia mautonu ki te wāri Māori nei.
Having 3 representatives to stand as Māori ward, there was even more acknowledgement to us and our people to say, hey, we deserve to sit in that space just as much as everybody else.
And that's what I want, a succession plan for our rangatahi, he mokopuna. I want to be the example that you can do it. Yeah, so that's what I want to leave behind. That's the legacy I wish to leave behind.
I like to say that I'm a result of my environment. I had some amazing parents who worked really hard, who knew the value of education, but made sure that I was returned to the marae to clean ngā wharepaku, to do ngā rihi. I'm Kapatēkio. Clearly that suits me really well because I like to say hello to everybody.
E hikaka ana tēnei kaunihera ki te uru atu ki ngā whare o te kaunihera ki te whakatutuki i ngā mahi i o ati hia ai e rātou i te wā o te kōwhiringa pōti. Te kawa pāora, Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.